I did drive my SRAM Red axis chain for 14,000 kilometers, and in this video I will explain to you how I make this happen using chain wax the lazy way.
So first of all, let's check how long do bicycle chains actually last according to the internet. Bikestreak.com, they claim here between 1 and 3,000 miles. Next one, cyclingweekly.com, they claim between 3,000 and 5,000 kilometers, but they also give here a number that in optional conditions increase the durability of the chain up to 6,000 kilometers. Third article here is from bikefitness.com, and they state between 2 and 3,000 miles, but then they have a note here that a well-maintained bike chain can reach up to 8,000 miles. Also first of all, let's check 8,000 miles, it's 12,874 kilometers, and I drove mine for 14,000 kilometers, which is 8,700 miles.
So here's the summary of what I did. I simply put on the chain as it is from the manufacturer with all the manufacturer grease on it, drove it for maybe 100-200 kilometers until the regular chain maintenance was necessary. I simply removed the manufacturer grease via some solvent. Then I put on the liquid wax, same way I would do with an oil-based lubricant. Then drove it for about 5 to 10 hours before I cleaned it again, put new wax-based lubricant on it, then let it sit there maybe some time, maybe till the next day before I do the next ride. Then use a towel without any lubricant on it, clean the chain again just from the outside to remove all wasteful wax that is just sitting there on the outside and might attract some dirt, etc. And that's it. Then I ride it for 5 to 10 hours and repeat. I hope you got something out of these videos. Enjoy your rides and see you in the next video.